Hello guys, my name is Damlola, and today's topic I will quickly show you how to calculate Bitcoin pips or BTC pips. Anything you call it is the same thing. Either you call it Bitcoin or you call it BTC. We are talking about the same thing. So let me quickly show you some theories for more understanding before we come here to practical it. So here is it. This is my breakdown on how to calculate BTC pips or Bitcoin pips. Firstly, let's assume current market is $95,000 and market drop to 93,000, which means market has already dropped $2,000. Then you don't need to stress yourself. BTC pips is the most easiest pairs to calculate the pips. So all you have to do is that remove 10 from that 2000, then it will remain 200, which means Bitcoin drop with 200 pips. I don't know if you guys understand me. Let us assume you enter market at current price 95,000 and market drop with 93,000. So let's do the math here. Here's our calculator. That is 95,000 minus 93,000. That's 2,000. All you have to do is that remove 10 as the back of that $2,000. It will remain 200. That means BTC drop 200 pips from 95,000 to 93,000. So let now assume that market pump from BTC rise from 88,000 to 90,000. So if we remove 88,000 from 90,000, is the same thing, which means BTC pump with $2,000. Abi. So if we remove 10 as the back of that $2,000, it will remain 200, which means BTC give us 200 pips from 88,000 to 90,000. So let us assume market start from 88,000. Let us market start from 90,000 to 100,000. That means market pump with 10,000. Then if you remove 10 at the back of that 10,000, it will remain 1,000, which means market pump 1,000 pips from 90,000 to 100,000. It's the same thing. If market pump from 90,000 to 91,000, which means market pump with 100 pips. Now, this is my trading view. Let us market pump from here. Let us market pump from here. From 95,000, let's pick 95,000 and let's pick 93,500. Let's pick 93,500. Let's pick 93,500. Then 5,000 minus. Then 5,000 minus 93,500. So market drop with 1,500, which means market drop with 150 pips. So that is for sale. So let's now assume market drop. This is current market. Market drop from then 5,000 to 87,500. Then 5,000 to 87,500, which means market drop with $7,500. So if we remove 010 at the back of that 7,500, it will remain 750 pips, which means market that dropped from 95,000 to 87,500 gave us 750 pips. So that is for sale. Let assume market pump from this place from here to here, from 87,400 to 90,000. So 87,400 to 90,000. 90,000 to minus 87,400. That is 2,600. Market pump 2,000 with 2,600. So if we remove 10 at the back of that 2,600, which means market has pumped with 260 pips. I hope you guys understand. So another way we can use to get our accurate pips is by using these two, Mayor 2. So we can use Mayor 2 from this place down to this place. So if you see it, we pick our entry around 95,150 down to 87,366. Market drop with $7,783. So if we remove that 3 at the back of 8, market drop with 778 pips. So this one, you don't need to stress yourself. Market drop with 8.18%. So let's assume we want to measure our pump from here down to current price. So from 87,540 to 93,93, market has already pumped with 2,852, which means 3.26%. So if we remove 2.77, it will remain 285, which means market pump 285 pips. I hope you guys understand. If you find this short tutorial helpful, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share it with your loved ones. Thank you. See you next